Module 6 is entitled Emotions in Conflict. Emotions can be defined as modes of functioning shaped by natural selection that coordinate physiological, cognitive, motivational, behavioral, and subjective responses and patterns that increase the ability to meet the adaptive challenges. Emotions are like moving water. Water that is dammed up with no inlet or outlet usually becomes stagnant, dries up, becomes toxic, or freezes. Like water, emotions are designed by evolution to move through the body. We feel them, they change, they transform. Constructive conflict resolution depends upon our ability to work with and transform our emotion. Upon completion of this lesson, you should be able to identify the different types of emotion in conflict. Also, differentiate between the various theories of emotion and recognize how to organize positive emotions and become more happy.